how much should you actually spend on the best stain for red oak floors? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Minwax Red Oak Stain. First up is the Minwax Wood Finish in Red Oak, which comes in a half pint for just $7.47. What caught my attention is its deep penetrating formula, and it's a bestseller with over 11,400 reviews at an impressive 4.6 stars. If you want a rich, even color that enhances the natural wood grain, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Minwax's oil-based stain penetrates deeply into the wood, providing beautiful color with just one coat. It dries in a mere 2 hours, which means you won't be waiting around for your project to be finished. Plus, the application process is super simple. Just apply with a cloth or brush, and you can wipe off the excess after 5-15 minutes depending on how dark you want the color. The fact that it's a trusted brand since 1904 also gives you peace of mind. Now, some people complained about the odor as it can be quite strong during application. Here's the thing though, I found that once it dried, the smell dissipated pretty quickly. So if you're sensitive to strong odors, it might be a deal breaker, but if you can manage it, the results are beautiful. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, easy-to-use stain that delivers an impressive finish. Skip this one if you're particularly sensitive to strong smells during the process. For the price, it really offers solid value. Now, if the odor issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Howard Restore Finish. Next up is the Howard Products Restore Finish in Golden Oak, priced at $9.98. This caught my attention because it's designed to restore and blend out minor blemishes on your wood surfaces. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 4,300 reviews, this one stands out for quick fixes. If you want a product that can rejuvenate wood without stripping, this is definitely worth your time. Here's why this matters. The unique formula restores wood finishes and helps with both light and dark stains. It's a wipe-on, wipe-off process so you can swiftly restore the look of your furniture or floors. It also eliminates white heat rings and watermarks, which can be pretty annoying if you have kids or pets. Plus, it comes in 9 colors, making it versatile for matching various wood tones. Now, some users mention that it can leave a sticky residue if not wiped off properly. Here's the thing, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it's not an issue. But if you're in a hurry, you might not get the finish you want. This is perfect for you if you need a quick solution for restoring your wood finishes. Skip this one if you're looking for a deep stain, it's meant more for surface restoration. Considering the ease of use, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for deeper repairs. Product number 3, Goodfilla Red Oak Filler. Now let's talk about Goodfilla Red Oak, which is an 8-Oz wood filler priced at $11.69. What caught my attention is its zero waste claim and the fact that it's non-toxic. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 9,300 reviews, this one is a favorite among DIYers. If you want a reliable filler that saves you time and money, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters. This filler doesn't shrink, sink, or crack and has excellent adhesion. It's designed to accept any finish or stain so you can easily blend it into your projects. Plus, it reconstitutes with water, which means you won't have to waste any product. Just add a little water and it's good as new. This is especially great for those complex craft projects or furniture repairs where matching colors is crucial. Now, some users have pointed out that it takes quite a while to fully cure, up to 24 hours. Here's the thing though, if you plan your projects accordingly, this won't be a problem. Just let it cure and you'll have a seamless finish. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to do some serious repairs. Skip this one if you need a quick fix since it does require some curing time. For what you get, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're after quicker application, the next one might be more your style. Product number 4, Varathane Premium Wood Stain. Coming in next is the Varathane Premium Wood Stain in quart size, also in red oak, priced at $13.98. This product really caught my eye due to its superior formula designed for deeper penetration and truer colors. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,700 reviews, it's ideal for those serious about their wood projects. Here's why this matters. The soy oil-based formula not only penetrates deeply but also enhances wood grain detail. It dries quickly, usually in 1–2 hours, and covers about 150 square feet, making it efficient for larger projects. You can apply it without worrying about blotching, which is a common issue with some stains. This means you can achieve a consistent look every time. Now, some people found it a bit pricey compared to others. But here's the thing, I think if you're looking for quality and lasting results, it's definitely worth the investment. Sometimes you really do get what you pay for. This is perfect for you if you're tackling significant woodwork projects and want a professional finish. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and need something more economical. For the quality, it's a good value. Alright, that's another great choice, but if you want something with less mess, wait until you see the last one. Product number 5, Varathane Less Mess Stain. Finally, we have the Varathane Less Mess Wood Stain and Applicator in Golden Oak, priced at $8.98. This one caught my attention because of its unique applicator design that promises easy cleanup. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 2,100 reviews, it's perfect for smaller projects. If you want convenience without compromising on quality, this might be your go-to. Here's why this matters. This water-based stain has a low odor formula that cleans up easily with soap and water, making it user-friendly. The sponge applicator allows for greater color control, which is really helpful for crafts or touch-ups. Plus, it's semi-transparent and buildable, so you can layer it for a richer look without worrying about mess. Now, some users mention that it doesn't have the same depth of color as oil-based stains. Here's the thing though, if you're working on smaller projects or crafts, the convenience outweighs that concern, especially if you're sensitive to strong odors. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, mess-free application for small projects. Skip this if you need a stain for larger surfaces where you want deeper color. For the price, it's a solid option with great value. So to wrap it up, we started with the Minwax Wood Finish for its rich color, followed by Howard Restore Finish for quick restoration needs. Then we had Goodfilla for those deeper repairs, Varathane Premium for a professional finish, and finally Varathane Less Mess for convenience. Each one has its own strengths, so think about what matters most for your project.